In many walks of life, you see a lot of people well prepared, they have the necessary skills, they have the training, but they do not get the opportunity to succeed in life. And then there are people who get wonderful opportunities, but they miss it and they sometimes fail because they were not prepared, they didn't have the necessary skill or training. In K-Link, what we have is, K-Link is an opportunity, a platform, and K-System is the one that prepares you for that opportunity.
K-Link's international network business spans several countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Singapore, Hong Kong, India, Taiwan, and many more countries around the world. What makes K-Link special is the range of well-researched high-quality products in its portfolio. The direct selling industry is a well-established one, with K-Link being a well-established name. K-Link products come as an ideal diet plan for people who are suffering from various disorders. It rejuvenates and balances the body and has great antioxidant properties. K-Link range of products are fundamentally based on a health principle that brings back the normal functionality of internal organs.
If you look at K-Link's range of products, you will notice that there is a solid health principle behind it, what we call as cleansing, balancing, activating and defending, or in other words, A, B, C, D.
When you join the K-Link family, to help you succeed, you will be given the marketing plan book that will provide you all the information you need and all the incentives you can hope for. When you move from ordinary to extraordinary, or when you want to be the best, you go through a process of learning through bad experiences, trials and tribulations, hits and misses, setbacks. K-System makes this process easy for you.
When an opportunity like K-Link comes in your life, where you can set up your business at a global level, you need to be prepared. You need to be much better prepared. This is where K-System comes into picture. K-System is a comprehensive training program. It provides you with the necessary skill, education, knowledge about how a business is to be set up, and prepares you to meet the challenge or to lead that opportunity. In order to be successful in any business, if you look at it, a man needs knowledge, a man has to be very disciplined, and a man has to have a culture. When I say culture, if you look at a country, a nation, or an organization, it needs to have a culture in order to succeed in the market. K-System provides all these three things: a solid culture, a good discipline, and a great training.
Overall knowledge about the company in terms of products, compensation plan, presentation skill, right attitude, disciplined approach, and a positive culture is imparted through K-System to help create business leaders and business careers. In today's times, entrepreneurs are maximum in demand but minimum in supply. The K-System University transforms the ordinary to extraordinary by empowering entrepreneurs. The required skill, knowledge, personality and confidence is imparted to the individual in phases. The result is common for all members, a top rank with enviable income. K system is built on the strong foundation of culture, knowledge and discipline. Members' growth and success is assured and is powered by K system.